your girl Ashley, and I'm back to do another video, and this video is going to be my Christmas wish list video. So yeah, I thought it'd be really fun to go ahead and do this video. It seems like a fun video that everybody kind of does around this time of the year, so I decided to join the bandwagon. So let's get started. First thing I want for Christmas is a vlogging camera, because I honestly really do want to get into the vlog life. So yeah, I've been looking at two cameras in particular. I've been looking at the Sony WX500. I believe that's what it is. I believe that's the name of the camera. It's the Sony flip with the flip up screen. That camera, I believe it's called the WX500. So yeah, I've really been eyeballing it. I really like it. Or the Nikon Coolpix S6900, I believe that's what it's called. But it's just like a really cute small camera that has a flip-up screen so that I can see my face when I'm vlogging. The second thing I want for Christmas is a unlimited gift card for Carter's. Okay, I'll take $100, I'll take $200, I'll take $300, okay? An unlimited amount of money, well, a high amount of money on a gift card for Carter's, so that I can go in there and buy up lots of stuff for my daughter, because I just love buying her cute little clothes. And you know, I try not to go into Carter's because I'm tempted to buy clothes, although she technically doesn't really even need clothes. I always want to buy things for her. So if somebody could, you know, sponsor me a Carter's gift card, then that would be awesome. Third thing I want for Christmas is for somebody to buy me my ticket to Jamaica. So I mean, if any of y'all have, like, you know, links with a travel agent or something, just buy my ticket for me, okay? I'm going in March. You pick the dates, it's fine. I really want someone to buy me the ticket. So yeah, I do plan to go to Jamaica in March. So you know, it's almost time for me to buy my ticket. You can't buy it too last minute. You should at least buy it 6 weeks in advance. So that time is coming up slowly but surely. So yeah, if somebody could buy the ticket for me, then I would love you. I would love you forever, seriously. Fourth thing I want for Christmas is a $100 Walmart card, so I can go in there and just buy whatever the hell that I want. Because I love going into Walmart, and Walmart is that store where if I say I'm going into Walmart for groceries, I'm in the clothes section. If I go into Walmart saying I'm gonna buy a pair of shoes, I am in the food section. I'm always in some other section than what I plan to go in there for. I just love Walmart. It's just the everything store. Everything is in there, you know. You're in there buying clothes, and then remember, oh, I need to buy groceries. So you head over to the grocery section, and then you're like, oh, I need to buy a pair of shoes. So then you go to the shoe section. Oh, I was supposed to buy a TV. So you go to the electronics. You know, everything is in Walmart, and I love that store. So if somebody can give me a Walmart gift card, then, you know, that'll be great. The thing I'd love to get for Christmas is a MacBook. And I know it's kind of pricey, but you know, if like 5 people come together, you know, 5 people come together and drop like $200, you know, y'all could get me a MacBook, okay? I really do want a MacBook. I've only used PCs in my life, and I would love to try a MacBook because they just seem so technologically innovative. Like, they just seem so awesome. So I would love to get a MacBook. So yeah, for any of my family members out there, y'all just gather up yourself, you know, 5 of y'all come together, put $200 down, and get your girl a laptop, and I'll be sure to give you a shout out on my channel. The 6th thing I would love to get for Christmas is a pair of Air Maxes. I recently got my first pair of Air Maxes a couple weeks ago, and I absolutely love them. Like, I've never been like this sneaker type of person. I'm always wearing like sandals or tall boots. Those are me type of shoes. But you know, my husband said, Ashley, I'm getting you a pair of Air Maxes because you need to hop on the sneaker train. And let me tell you, this train is up and popping. I love it. So I'd love to get another pair of Air Maxes, something with pink in it, because the one I have right now is white, black, and gray. So I would love to get a pair of Air Maxes that has like pink in it, or a bright color in general, but pink, because pink is my favorite color. The 7th thing I would love to get for Christmas is some virgin hair. I would love to get some virgin hair. so I can, you know, be slaying for the gods with some long, luxurious hair. I would love that. So if anybody is trying to get that for me, then just holler at your girl. I would love an 18, 20, 22, and 24 inch because I want it long hair, don't care. So yeah, I would love some bundles. Eighth thing I would love to get for Christmas is I don't even know. I really don't even know what else. Oh, I remember, I want Mario Kart because I love to play Mario Kart, and I lost my Mario Kart for my Wii sometime a few years ago, and I have absolutely no idea where it is. And Mario Kart is my game. It's the only game I really know how to play because all these other systems, I don't understand them, okay? I'm a Nintendo girl. Give me a Nintendo device. Give me some Super Mario Brothers or, you know, Mario Kart. And that's my game. So if somebody could buy me Mario Kart for my Wii, that would be awesome because, you know, I be here wanting to play, you know, a racing game, but I don't know how to work the Xbox. Like, Xbox is not my thing. So please, if somebody could buy me Mario Kart, I'd love you. Ninth thing I would like to get for Christmas is a new handbag. Any handbag, a nice big handbag. Because sometimes if I'm going into a store with my daughter, instead of bringing her baby bag along with it, I'll kind of just pop the necessary things in my bag so I can just travel with one bag. So yeah, I'd love a new big handbag, preferably in like a taupe khaki color because I love handbags that color, like literally love handbags that color. So yeah, I'd love that. 10th thing I would love to get for Christmas is a $100 gift card to Jack Astor's because that is my all-time favorite restaurant. And for those of you who live in the States, I don't think y'all know about Jack Astor's, but if you guys live in Canada, Jack Astor's is my favorite restaurant. So if y'all are, even if y'all just want to bring me to Jack Astor's so I can get hot wings and my chicken parmesan dinner, then like that's cool with me too because that's my favorite restaurant and that's what I always get when I go there. Hot wings and a chicken parmesan because it's the best. So yeah. So that is it for my Christmas wish list. Those are the 10 items I would love to receive for Christmas. Although chances are I ain't getting none of them for Christmas. Like, chances are I ain't getting none of them. But you know, can a girl live? Can a girl just imagine? Can a girl just hope that she'll get them? Because I got faith that maybe I'll get one of them. Just one of them. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or concerns, leave them down below in the comment section, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload.